Hey guys, are you using reviews to promote your business online? Yes, I am speaking regarding Google reviews. Infodocs has developed a tool which can help you get more and more reviews easily from your customers, and in this video I am going to show you about that tool. Hello friends, welcome to InfoTalks. As you all know that we'll be discussing about Google reviews tool which InfoTalks has prepared. Actually what happens that mostly people are not able to locate their link through which they can get reviews from their customers, and if you are able to locate that link, still that link is not that easy, it's a bit complicated. But what we have done, we have created a tool through which you can get a very short, easy to remember link which you can share with your customers and increase Google reviews, because Google reviews help you in increasing your local search listing, as well as people check your Google reviews when they want to buy or avail your service. So reviews is important in case of local listing, as well as if you are selling things online through your online store or online website, may it be your services or your products. So guys, we'll be releasing more such tools related to local listing, social media marketing through InfoTalks. So if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, please subscribe it now so that you don't miss information about these free tools and the benefit you are going to get from these tools. So I will take you to my computer screen and tell you about this tool, how this tool works, so that you can start using this tool. So friends, as you can see, this is my computer screen, and you can see behind this is a screen of that particular website. The name of the website is italy.in. It's a very short name. And here you can see Google review link generator tool we have. Other than that, we have a link shortener tool also, for which I have created a separate video. If you want to see that video, I'll share the link on the I button and you can check that video too. So it's very easy to use this tool. You have to log in through Google, as it's showing that login with Google. So you will click on this link and authentication of Google will make you log into this application. Friends, you can see that we have logged into this application. You can see the name of the user through which I have logged in here. It's showing other than login link which it was earlier displaying. Now what we have to do is click on this generate button. It's very simple. When you click on this generate button, you will be uh, taken to this page where it's showing a map. So what you have to do, you have to search some location, some brand. Like I randomly search some entity, I'll search this entity, and as I search this entity, a link is automatically generated. So it's so easy. You can WhatsApp this link from here, you can copy this link from here, and most importantly, you can download a QR code of this link. This QR code you can print on a paper and paste it in your shop, in your office, and ask your customers to give you rating if they are satisfied with your services. So that becomes very easy. Even you can share this QR code on WhatsApp, on social media, or on your website. So what you have to do, you have to click on this button, download QR code. If you want it along with a message, you can keep this, else you can delete this message, or you can put your own message here. So what will happen, that downloaded QR code will be accompanied with a message which you can directly print through your computer. So this way it's a very easy system. You can create a very short link which you can use, you can share with your customers, you can remember it very easily, and it makes easy for you to get Google reviews, guys. Other than that, whenever you generate links through this, if you are an agency, if you are not doing it for your own self, then you can find these links through this link, view previous links. When you click on this, you will find all the links which you have generated. Other than that, you can copy these links, you can even take that QR code again. So whenever you generate a link through this tool, all the links are saved for your reference so that you can get them whenever you want these links. And it's an absolutely free tool, so you can start using this tool today. So friends, how was this tool? You can generate your links of Google review and share it with your customers. These links are short and easy to remember so that you can share it very easily and get more and more Google reviews. If you like this video, then just hit on that like button, share it with your friends so that they can also take benefit of this tool. And if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, do subscribe it now, because I am going to launch more such tools related to local SEO, social media marketing, in which there will be lot of free options available so that you can use those options and increase your online presence. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.